Hey everybody, we've landed. As you saw, Tracy and I took off out of Orlando International and we landed here in Cancun. Yes, I was just here 2 weeks ago, but that was for leisure and this is for work. So we're gonna give you a quick tour. Remember, as I posted, if anybody's following, we were staying at multiple different resorts this time. First up, just for one night, before we take off to a beautiful island north of Cancun called Holbox. We're staying at the Azul Beach Riviera. So this is part of that charisma brand that I love to sell you guys so much. So let's take a quick room tour of a standard room. And there's, look at my Tracy. All right, so when you walk in, you guys, let's take a look at the bathroom first. Beautiful rain shower right down. Products, so you do not have to worry about your shower gels, your shampoo, your conditioner. It's all right here. Do not have to worry about bringing any of that, which is great. Beautiful sinks.
Water.
Yep, bottles of water. And what's great about the Charisma brand is that you're going to see these bottles of water in glass bottles because they are part of the eco-friendly resort groups that like to recycle glass. And you got the water closet here. And hey, did they look at all the storage closets?
Tons of storage. But wait, it gets better. It comes complete with robes.
Oh my God. Look at that beautiful robe. I love it. Oh, how comfortable that you can stay in this beautiful resort wearing one of those robes. As you walk in, look at the gorgeous colors that are there on your beds. Nice sized coffee pot, TV, kettle for warming for tea. Look at this great soaking tub here. Highly recommended getting maybe a king suite for your honeymoon. And then we have a pool view. Let's go on out here. Look at this great couch. I've stayed here last year on a work trip, checking everything out over in the building over there. And they have an adult side. Oh, they're setting up for a wedding. Heck yeah. And then you got the water right there. That's fantastic. So that restaurant right there is fantastic. They have live lobster that you can get. The food is fantastic. That is a great spot for a private event, don't you think so? Destination wedding or something. Anyways, we're going to get our swimsuits on, you guys. And we'll show you around with some pictures. But again, we're just here for one day. We're here to work. So we're going to get our swimsuits on, grab a margarita, because that's our work juice. That's our mojo work juice. And the, right? With my ladies. See y'all later. Bye-bye.